Hello my darlings, welcome to this week's creative process video. We're going to be going for something a bit different this week. We're actually going to be doing some simple Christmas cards. Now I mentioned this a few videos back, something that I wanted to do, and so I'm just getting my area set up ready to get stuck in. I wasn't really sure where I was going with this or how I was going to do it, and I went onto Pinterest and got a few ideas. So yeah, let's go for it, shall we? So I will be doing a bit of voiceover just to explain a bit more about what I'm doing. So I actually couldn't find any decent cards and envelopes, so I ordered this pad, this A5 pad of watercolour paper from Amazon. And then what you'll see in the next part of the video is me turning them into cards with one of my little guillotine cutter things, which has got like an indentation tool, which makes the cards easier to fold. What I'm doing here is I'm just using a dry paintbrush to lift off some of that colour, which gives it that kind of 3D effect. So that kind of lighter side of the bubble just really gives that a bit more depth to watercolours, and you'll see I'll do that on each of the baubles. So as you can see, I went to take the candle off and then realised I probably want to let it dry. So I did, I left it to dry for a minute, and you can see that the splatter just adds a really cool effect. So yeah, I'm going to do another one, a blue one this time. Very similar process video, but I think it's quite cool just to show how the different colours look. So just preparing my card for my pad, and I'm going to get stuck in. Again, like I did with the green one, just using that dry paintbrush and a bit of tissue to lift off some of that colour to just give a bit more depth to the baubles. Otherwise they're all just one kind of block colour, and you can see it just really makes them look a bit more 3D and gives it a better effect. So I'm absolutely chuffed with how these came out. I really like the gold splatter on this one, and I'll probably do a mixture of gold and colour on the other ones that I'm going to create, because everyone will be getting these for Christmas this year. And I just wanted to show you how you can really create some beautiful and simple watercolour Christmas cards yourself. You don't have to buy them, you just need some watercolour paper, some watercolours, and yeah, just use this video as inspiration and as an idea for you. So I hope you've enjoyed it.